Guys, I've been waiting for years for this, to 3D buildings, making videos using your drone. Now, this, guys, I am so excited because you can do this on any drone. As long as it's got a camera and it's got, I would say, as long as it's got 4K, you can do this. It's not going to cost you nothing, to be honest, other than the drone. Yeah, you just need the drone. I'm going to use the Neo in this demo. It's 3D design. You don't need third-party apps. You don't need to take photographs. All you need to do is film it using your video. And on the Neo, and you want to do the highest settings you can, and that would be 4K 30. And I'm just going to say it again, it's free, guys. I will show you in a mo back in the studio the whole process of this. Anyway, you're going to get a gist in a mo. Let's get a drone up in the air. Okay, so I've got the drone on now. Everything's looking good. I'll do auto takeoff. Okay. What you need to do at the bottom, guys, you want to put on to the highest reg. So we need 4K 30. Okay. I'm going to do hopefully a spotlight on that. I'm going to put on the video. Okay, and all we do now is just fly around the building, and you can keep an eye on the footage. Now, what we can do, which I'll show you back at the studio, is we can cut the video up a little bit, because depending on the size of this building will depend on, because you've got to do a full 360 around the building for it to work. At the moment, we're doing fine. God, it's hot. Now obviously you don't have to use the spotlight, you can just free fall it, if you know what I mean, just doing the 360. We're getting the name of the place as well. But like I said, you need to do a complete circle of it. It's coming up to 1 minute 20. Now we're going to have to cut the video up a little bit, I think, because it's coming up to 1:30 now. And we're just getting the front of it. I've got to thank the guy that came out with this video, because I've been looking at doing 3D projects for ages, but I didn't want to end up paying for it. Now I've got it on normal. Obviously you don't need to be in cinematic. I wouldn't do it in sports mode, guys. Okay, I think, to be honest, oh no, maybe we need to go a bit more. Yeah. We've virtually covered that on footage now, and if you notice, it's just gone over 3 minutes. Okay, so I can stop the video footage, remove the spotlight. What do you think of me catching that?
Landing.
Yeah, that's what I love about the Neo. You can hand catch it. My bigger drones, I would never try that, but with the Neo, it's fantastic. Anyway, let's get back to the studio. There's a couple of things I need to explain, guys. Even though it's all free, which it is, The site that you're going to be using, which I'll show you in a mo, is called Polygram. And on that, to use it for free, and you can use it as many times as you like. And I'm only going to show you the video version, and it'll be called Gaussian Splats. What that's about, I don't know. The guy that I mentioned in the video just a while ago, he goes into it on the technical side. I'm not into the technical stuff. So I just want to do the easy route. But you got to make sure that the video that you download onto the Polygram site is no more than 1 minute 40 seconds. You can still use your highest mode on your camera, which most drone cameras are 4K. Now you could, if you wanted to, if you got the Mavic 4 Pro, you could do the 8K, but it's got to be 1 minute 40. Now the video footage I just took a moment ago was just over 3 minutes. So I'm showing you on my Mac. I've cheated a little bit. I actually cut it all up, so I think it's like 127. That's what I managed to get it down to. And what you got to make sure that even though you've done the 360, as I'm showing you now, I've cut it up a bit. Now somebody's going to say, "Oh, sure, I haven't got Final Cut Pro." Guys, there's loads of software out there, free software, if you haven't got any software. But I think most of you guys that watch this channel have probably got some sort of either Final Cut Pro. I mean, another one is DaVinci. Now that's a free download. I don't use it, but loads of people do. It's, from what I heard, it's even better than Final Cut Pro, and it's free. So yeah, you could use DaVinci. But I'm using Final Cut Pro. As you can see in this video footage, I've cut it all up. What you got to make sure is the footage that you're going to download eventually, you haven't missed any massive gaps out of it. So it is a little bit about experimenting. Now, obviously, if you did something a little bit simpler, like I did at the beginning of the video here, I did the watchtower, that took just over a minute. So those sort of things, easy peasy. Want to do your car, wanted to do your dog, no doubt. Yeah, you can do those sort of things. But when it's obviously a little bit bigger, now you notice that at the end of the first beginning clip, I did the big island with the big building. Now I think that took me 5 minutes. So that was quite a lot of cutting on that. So obviously the bigger it is, the more problematic it's going to be putting it all together. But you ain't got to worry about stitching it. Just cut it in sections like I'm just showing you now. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you downloading the Polygram software, but this is the stuff that changes it all. I call it AI stuff, really. I mean, how you can change a video into 3D model, I don't know, but it does it. And I think it does a really good job. And as I keep mentioning, it's free. So guys, what you got to do, you got to download Polycam, which will be on the internet. Now, apparently you can do it on your mobile. There's an app as well, but I'm showing you on my big computer. So it's poly.cam. I'll try and remember to put a link below the video, make it easy for you. So what you got to do first, you obviously got to set up a contract, which I've already done. And it's just an email and obviously a password. Mine's already set up, but you just go into there, log in. So this is what you're going to see on your screen. Now, as you can see, obviously, if you open this up, it would be completely empty. And there'll be a thing on the middle of the screen saying free trial. Click that off, guys. I mean, you got a 7-day free trial, but then they obviously want you to pay for it. So you just click that off. It will then ask you to create. So you just click on that on the left-hand side. As you open up the screen, you see create Gaussian splat. And that's what we want. There's other things there. They've got the photogrammetry thing. We're not going to do any of those. We're just doing this one because it's the most easiest. And it's only a video. So it's going to say choose a file, and you can either drag it onto there or you can click it on and it will open up the file that you want. But as you can see at the bottom there where it says video, you've got a maximum of 1 minute 40. If it's over 1 minute 40, it won't let you unless you want to pay for it, obviously. Well, we don't want to do that, do we? So we just click on that for the file, and if I remember rightly, I'll put it in here. Here it is. Now, my video that I just done then was 1 minute 39.18, so it was just under the 140. Like I said, if it's over, it won't allow it. So all you got to do now is put in whatever you want to call the video. I'm not going to do that because I've already done a few of these now. And once you've done that, you just click down upload and process. Now, it's, as you can see there already, it's saying it's going to take between 30 to 40 minutes. Now, obviously depending on what you've uploaded. Now, I've done mine down to 1080p. Obviously you can save it as a 4K. It will take a little bit longer, and because it's free, once it's been processed, it will let you know when it's fully ready. You can't make it go any faster, guys, because it's free, isn't it? You can't make it any faster. So that's the option there. And I'll just give you a quick view of what I've done. So I did it there, the DJI Neo 1080. So we just click on it. It will load up. It's pretty quick. Now you've got some tools on the left hand side there. If you want to crop it, change the background. Now the background will just make it either look black or white. You can rotate it, but I noticed with the rotate, they're virtually asking you to pay for that. But you can use your mouse to move it about. I'm not going to enlarge it, but you can do that. I just think it's just amazing what you can do. And you can see the contours as well. And if I'm coming down, and it's just picking up some of the pylons in the area there. I just think, and also all I've done, guys, as you saw in the video, is I just flew around it, probably about, looking at it now, probably about this angle. I didn't go down that low or up this high. So that's it really. Like I said, I can click back onto coming back to the other ones that I've done. Now, I probably didn't mention it, but I did try on the photogrammetry site, which is this one here, and it's just so it's so small, titchy. It's just so small. See what I mean? But obviously this is more to do with photographs. Now, if I was using the Mavic 4 Pro, I've got 100 megapixel photographs. I mean, that would be amazing. But you only get, I think you only get like 100 photographs. And to me, you know, that's not a lot really. I think when you're doing those sort of things, you need at least to have about at least 300 or more. And also with that, you really need to go around probably 3 different levels. But what I've just shown you, you just fly around it in a circle and you just get that. And I'll just show you another one which I've done, which I obviously saw at the beginning of the video, and that was the mines. But there's another one. Now this one I've actually done in 4K. This is, funny enough, not far from the one I've just done on the Neo. Now I did this one with my Mavic 4 Pro. So you can see the building in the background there that I've just been showing you. So this one is an abandoned farm. You know, so you can look down on the top. You've got the palm trees there. And you can come down a bit lower to the ground there, and you can come round. I just, yeah, and it's free. So I hope you enjoyed that. Bit of fun, wasn't it? Just proves that you can do 3D models now, just with a cheap little drone, really, like the Neo. If you've got any questions about the video, please add them below in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't like the video, tough. Anyway, just before I finish off the video now, I'm on a membership, and I've got to give a shout out for my first member, which is Roger. You're a top man, Roger. Thanks for joining. Anyway, after all that, I want to say adios amigos, but mainly there's going to be another video coming very sooner.